Got flatbread pizza.
I said let him cook!
We're gonna make this quick. So we're making pizza. We got flatbread, marinara sauce. This stuff is pretty good. We used to have shredded cheese, but we finished it all making a wrap yesterday. Pizza mozzarella cheese that I bought specifically for making this, and we already finished it. You know, I can't really do much about it, so we're just gonna use Swiss cheese. This stuff is pretty expensive, I'm not gonna lie. It used to be like $4, now it's like $6. And then finally, you know, you gotta get the meat in there. So I got pepperoni. You know, you can't go wrong with pepperoni. This is the classic pizza topping. So the first pizza I made with that thing was I made hot dog pizza, which is gonna sound weird. You take a hot dog bun, because I had a ton of hot dog buns left over. Put the pizza sauce on top, cheese on top, and then just meats. I usually put like deli meat, like salami or ham or something like that. But then I put the same thing on a piece of bread. Today we're upgrading to actual flat bread. We just put it in the oven to make it crisp. Put on both sides. We're gonna flip it now. It looks crispy. Alright, so next up, obviously you gotta put the pizza sauce on. I'm just using marinara sauce. We're just gonna spread the pizza sauce on top. This is super crispy this time. I should have took it out of the oven a little bit earlier because now it's like hard as a rock. More sauce, but not too much. Slide it back in the oven. That looks cooked. And next step, obviously, is to put cheese on there. So I'm gonna get like, this is gonna be my entire cheese supply. I got like what, 2 slices left. I mean, I could just slap it right on. I feel like we don't have shredded cheese, but I guess we gotta make shredded cheese. So I'm just gonna rip it apart. Technically, we got shredded cheese.
The torn cheese.
Yeah, it's torn or shredded. Pretty much the same thing, you know. I wish I had a shredder. That would have been sick. So we pretty much covered the entire pizza. I mean, we still have a lot of sauce left.
Tier 100.
It's gonna look good after it like melts and everything. For now, it looks a little weird. It looks like fragmented like pieces.
Suggest one topic to make the pizza taste better: pineapple.
Here's my opinion on pineapple pizza. It's kind of controversial, but I like pineapple pizza, but I would never go out of my way to buy pineapple pizza. If I was given pineapple pizza, I would eat it and I would complain. But I would never go and buy pineapple pizza. If I had options, I would never. Pineapple pizza would be the last thing. It's not bad. I don't hate it. Hawaiian pizza is fire. We're gonna put this back in the oven. Just a little bit to melt the cheese. And we're gonna put the sauce back on top, cheese back on top, and then the pepperoni. There's gonna be double cheese, I guess. Extra cheese. It's gonna be super cheesy.
The cheese has depression.
Dude, the cheese looks fine. Don't worry about it. So we're gonna put the sauce back on.
A bell plays. Said not gonna lie, the chest do look to crease.
Doesn't look that depressed, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Just willy nilly. You know, you gotta be random with it. Chat, it's gonna be good when it's done. You can't judge it in the middle of the process.
Said where the meat's at.
The meat is just coming. You know, speaking about the meat. So we got the pepperoni. We're gonna put them on top. So I'm just gonna go around it.
Said bro making the pepperoni look equal.
Exactly. You gotta make the pepperoni look equal. You gotta make it aesthetically pleasing. You know what I'm saying? Now we can finally put it back in. It's not that hot. See, I don't even wear gloves because I'm a real man. See, it's almost done.
Name long
See,
style.
take,
Said I would pray for both of you.
Bro, you're not gonna get sick off of this. It looks fine. For the grand reveal, this is what you guys been waiting for, right?
Hey, you went flying Billy Spur. Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wall with all my hoes. Oh, you want to line it all up.
Long style.
Oh,
Said
this
where
looks
it
so
good
good,
not
bro.
have to be
Damn.
flexible.
Dude, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. The cheese is melted properly. Put some allspice. A little bit of that. I put this on every single pizza. And then some chili flakes as well. Spicy.
Name long style. Said where the bacon bits at.
Oh, we already finished that. I made like 3 videos with bacon bits. We finished that a long time ago. See, if you guys mentioned that earlier, I would have like cooked up some onions, caramelized them, put them on top. That would have been sick. Remind me in the beginning, alright? You got ideas like that? Remind me in the beginning.
Style. Said you don't got veggies on your mind.
Can I put it?
It's gonna make my mouth water.
It should. That's good. That's a good thing. You don't have
A bell plays. Said I am pure Italian and I disagree, Mamamia.
Bro, what? What sauce do we put? Spicy garlic sauce. We gotta do like the artisan like kind of.
Have name too long to spell out, hell no.
Bro, decorating like a master chef.
I kind of messed up. Hey, that's good enough, bro. That's it. First cooking video in a long time. I think we got a really good product right here. We got, okay, let me explain this to you guys. Let me break it down again one more time if you guys missed it. Alright, so I'm gonna break it down to you guys what we got here. Flatbread pizza. We got some flatbread marinara sauce, pepperoni with spices. We got chili flakes. We got allspice, which has pretty much everything in it, I'm pretty sure. And then we got some spicy garlic garlic sauce, and yeah, that's it. So we got the food right here. We're back on the setup. As you can see, that's looking really good.
Hey guys.
Alright, so
I do hit the gym though.
yo, you gotta flex like that. Alright, it's very crispy. We're gonna
Cheers, bro.
You wanna dip it in the sauce, or
Yes.
I'm gonna do one without the sauce and then put the sauce.
I go for the sauce first though.
How you gonna get the flavor?
Let's see how it is.
That's pretty good. This is like
Very
regular
good.
pizza.
Pretty good than expected, bro.
Bro, there's nothing much to it. It's just regular pizza. It just tastes like regular pizza. I guess the one thing that's different from like the regular pizza is the spices I put on it. I got a pizza roll. This is a good way to eat it. You can roll it up.
Well, this is a pizza fold then. I have a pizza fold.
I think the roll gives you more flavor.
Said these dudes be committing war crimes to the Italians.
I think the Italians are very happy with what we did.
Oh, you went top off. Oh, you went Flintstone.